Cash advance apps usually approve users based on their account information, income activity, and eligibility checks, so getting approved starts with making your financial profile easy for the app to verify. By the end, you'll know what cash advance apps look for, how to improve your chances of approval, and what steps to take before submitting an application. The first step is checking whether you meet the app's basic requirements. Most cash advance apps review factors like having a connected bank account, showing regular deposits or income activity, and providing accurate personal information. If the app cannot verify your information, approval can become harder. Before applying, check that your bank account details are correct, and that the account you connect is active. Use the same personal information across your banking details and application, because mismatched information can create verification problems. The second step is improving the information the app sees. A cash advance app is not only looking at your request, it is also evaluating the financial data available through your account connection. Regular account activity and a clear record of incoming money can help the app understand your situation. Avoid submitting applications with incomplete details. Missing information can slow down the review process or prevent the app from completing its checks. Fill out every required field carefully, and review the details before submitting. The third step is choosing the right app for your situation. Some apps are designed for people with traditional employment, while others may consider different types of income activity. If you are self-employed, work gig jobs, or have irregular income, check whether the app accepts your type of earnings before applying. Also remember that approval does not mean every user receives the same amount. Cash advance limits and eligibility decisions can vary based on the app's review process and your account information. If you are denied, check the reason provided by the app. Common issues can include verification problems, account connection errors, or not meeting the app's eligibility requirements. Fixing the specific issue is usually more useful than applying repeatedly without changes. The best way to improve your approval chances is simple. Keep your account information accurate, connect a valid bank account, choose an app that matches your income situation, and complete the application carefully. To summarize, cash advance approval depends on eligibility checks, accurate information, and the financial details the app can verify. Before applying, review your account connection and make sure the app fits your situation. Subscribe for more practical guides that help you understand financial apps and money tools.